Traci Martin with Intech Freight Logistics, a certified MercuryGate value-added reseller integrator.
In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to send a tender from the load board in MercuryGate. So on my load board here, I have 3 loads that I can send a tender. The first one, I'm just going to show you the most obvious example, which would be to select the blue button, which says Send Tender. It's going to automatically check whatever you have configured for the carrier as their tender address. You can also add your email address here, which I'm going to do. And go ahead and select Send. It says tender completed to MG Carrier 4. So now we see here that this load has gone from rated to tendered. Now another way we can do this is the More Actions, Load Action Tender. Once again, you can add an email address or just simply leave this one as selected. So I'm going to do that and select Send. Tender completed to MG Carrier 7. And then when we refresh, and now we have this one is ready to book. And actually, I should mention the reason that we see a sign rate here is because I do not have a customer rate on this load yet. So that is still an activity that we need to address. So we can also click into Send Tender as I just did, or I'm going to go ahead and close that. We can select this box. So we could have selected all 3 of these. An action would be tender and submit. Are you sure you would like to tender all the selected execution loads? Yes. And now you can see this load is also in a tendered status.
Feel free to leave any questions in the comments or email us at tms_solutions@intechlogistics.com. For more information on Intech's MercuryGate partnership, visit www.intechfreight-logistics.com/TMS. Please do give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to this channel to get future videos first. Thanks very much for watching.